Hello. It is an owl monkey.
It is yellow, brown, black, white.
He lives in canopy.
He jumps.
It has legs, tails, arms, and stonks. Hello, this animal a pink river dolphin.
It is pink.
The furnace floor.
The dolphin swim.
The eyes, tail, and mouth.
Hello. This animal is an ocelot.
The color the ocelot is black, white, red, and brown.
They live in the understory.
This animal runs.
They have black spots, sharp teeth, long tail, and small eyes. Hello, this is a macaco.
It is blue, yellow, black, and green. Macaco can fly and climb.
It have small legs and big wings.
It's like a canopy and a armadillo.
It's a poison dart frog.
This color is green, blue, orange, and red.
He lives in the canopy.
He jumps.
It has legs, arms, hands, eyes, mouth, and a stick tongue.
It is a giant water.
It's brown and white.
They live in the water.
They have paws and tail.
They swim.